Welcome back once again. Yes, today the news say Anthony Joshua in self-isolation after meeting Prince Charles. All of you know who Anthony Joshua be. And Anthony Joshua na a Yoruba man. When I'm born in UK, when be professional boxer. In fact, the man don't come Nigeria, maybe come meet Jubri as well, The news they tell us say the world heavyweight boxing champion when be Anthony Joshua say he don't place himself in a self-isolation following a meeting with Prince Charles, who tested positive for coronavirus on Wednesday. COVID-19. You know who Prince Charles be. Prince Charles now, Queen Elizabeth's son. So the news they tell us say Anthony Joshua meet the eldest son and heir to British Queen Elizabeth II. And the man carry that thing when they call coronavirus. And the same news they tell us say Anthony Joshua don't go place himself in self-isolation. Like I said before, this issue of this disease not be something when anybody they take play. People don't they give example. People when they Italy, they don't, in fact, they don't they tell on how on suppose keep on herself. And this will not be something when we see we go they laugh at anybody when carry this kind of disease, and something when everybody have to, in fact, all man on his own. Because now when Abba carry, when be on our president carry the thing, say now wahala everybody in that country. To say Nigerian government then get hospitals or get isolation centers or get things like the kind things when people when they abroad get. We get the money, but they don't agree put things in place. But now it don't set now for everybody. So if they get all this kind of isolation center and good hospitals and things like that, we for they talk this thing, a little bit, but now come be say nothing in Nigeria. Now him make can go be a very, very big problem to Nigerian people. It's going to be a very, very bad situation to Nigerian people. Like I said before, where number one man carry him, I be number two man in that country. Now problem go to that country. Okay? Another one they come. They said COVID-19, Edo speaker test positive for coronavirus. This one now, make you know now say the thing don't dey everywhere in Nigeria. The thing don't dey everywhere in Nigeria. The speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Frank Okiye, they say the man don't test positive for coronavirus. And they say the man, when they reveal this thing, now the deputy governor of the state. Then if the deputy governor of the state, they reveal this, and I say, now confirm. Now deputy governor of the state, where they call Philip Shaibu, now they reveal this matter during a press conference in Benin City, the state capital, on Wednesday. They say Shaibu, now they confirm say Okiye, say in don't record case and announced earlier by the state. So the man na him carry the thing. Now then they tell us say the currently say na 46 cases na him they don't record in Nigeria so far. But una know see they don't want tell now this thing they everywhere in Nigeria. I don't know why our government they downplay everything and they take everything as politics. This kind of matter not be matter when I go treat like politics, like the way when I treat things before. This thing I got to take these things very, very serious in that country. Very, very serious. This one, in fact, una in a very, very dangerous situation. All those people now, when we don't tell them, say, make that they do something for Nigerian people, maybe they create job, maybe they do this, maybe they give us this and that. They refused. Today now, then carry, all of them carry coronavirus. I don't ask you say in one of my videos, see, if on top then carry all this, all of them carry the thing, who go come help on? Who go come help Nigerian people? Who go come help ordinary man? President now carry the thing. The one when they be impostor carry the thing. All of them carry the thing. So who go come help Nigerian people in this kind of bad situation? Anyway, when I know say we when be Nigerian people before, we not feel fight these people. These people when be saying that then come destroy our democracy in Nigeria. These people when be saying that then come destroy our election system in Nigeria. The way when people they take vote. These people when we say everything about them now wayo, everything about them now fraud, everything about them now looting, and everything about them now to intimidate Nigerian people, everything about them now to create Boko Haram and Hezbollah and WSAP and what have you. These people then be dangerous people. These people won't be our leader. So since when we know say we know if we fight them, make the coronavirus come quickly come do revolution for Nigerian people. I say make this coronavirus come be saying I can't do the revolution for Nigerian people. Because not be today we they live as slave under these people when they call government of Nigeria. Everything, every evil thing, every bad thing did their hand. Look at the cover up when they cover up about Jubril from Sudan. Maybe not the punishment. Be this one when God comes, okay, make I just fight for innocent 200 million Nigerian people, because our God not close eye, our God they see 247. If they see who they intimidate Nigerian people, if they see people when we say that then they do that evil thing, then they talk say now the ordinary man when they say you not get any power to do them anything. Now you they commit the thing, whereas everything they their hand. So these people, I say, make if as since when we say we not feel fight them, we not feel do, we not get anything to fight these people. Make this coronavirus come vindicate 200 million Nigerian people, because the situation at hand in Nigeria. In the hand of all these APC and PDP people. Because now maybe APC and PDP people now by now, they feel they jubilate now, say, make one thing or the other happen, say, now then go carry the mantle. Oh, no, not they carry any mantle. We don't tell them before. We don't tell them when be APC before, say, oh, no, be like birds when they fly with broken wings. Now the thing when they happen now. Somebody, when they claim say, or when put himself as the number one man in that country, now he carry the disease, can give everybody, including the senators, all of them carry the thing. All of them, they run. The man when they call Buhari, now don't go hide. Abba Kyari, they don't carry that one, enter Lagos. I say, God go vindicate the 200 million Nigerian people. Now, these people where they call channel television, where they do the propaganda for that man now when carry the coronavirus come Nigeria. You won't be about to make on account now tell Nigerian people saying a lie. See, test positive. And so I don't tell us say Buhari test negative. We know say now why you. Because there is no how when Abba Kyari go carry the thing, then Buhari no carry him, aka Jubril, not be the Buhari, ladies and gentlemen. So Obaseki now, all these people, Obaseki, according to the news now they tell us say Obaseki don't make contact with his close Bauchi state counterpart, Senator Bala Mohammed and Abba Kyari, the chief of staff to the president, or to the chief of staff to the Muhammadu Buhari, aka Jubri. So all the Abba Kyari them now. The news they tell us say Obaseki himself he don't make contact. That is, he don't deal with this one they call the Bala Mohammed, the Bauchi state governor. He don't also make contact with the chief of staff when be Abba Kyari to President Muhammadu Buhari. When they talk, say both of these people when they don't make contact with carry coronavirus. So Obaseki got to go confirm himself as well. The news they tell us again, say one Niger State governor, that one go into hiding. That is self-isolation. Now hiding, you know, when you don't want to make anybody see you, just go hide somewhere. Just lock yourself somewhere. So this man, this Niger State governor, what they call Abubakar Bello, they say that one don't go hide. As a result, in there among people when attend their fake governorship forum meeting on March 18. So now him make the man now can go hide again himself as Buhari don't take hide. Now him everybody take hide. Okay. Coronavirus, they say lockdown Nigeria now. Now so people they talk who made them lock down Nigeria. Another news they tell us a doctors obtain Abba Kyari's medical result from UK hospital. They can say the Abuja, the doctors, when they attend to the chief of staff, to Mr. President, when be Abba Kyari, they say they don't obtain his medical result from Wellington Hospital, St. John Wood, London. This news they come from the Punch, but Funkidi never know the reason why when they obtain the medical result from the where in they go. They said this man when they call Abba Kyari, they say the man get some sickness before already. When we say the sickness will hamper the rate of his recovery from COVID-19. A person when they talk this thing, they talk him at the Ministry of Health. Now there they talk him. They consider the information as their disposal. Say Abba Kyari medical results or medical records. Say they don't send them via email from Wellington Hospital, wherein they go do checkup every now and then. Or wherein they go take treatment before. Not be now. I know say they don't lock everybody up. Nobody go free enter London again. So they're not free enter that London. That is why they tend on a big blow to people when we see them they on top. I mean the presidency and their cronies. A very, very big blow. Even the country now when they wrong go before. They call UK. They can't go there again because in fact the sickness now, they UK, you cannot go there say you want to treat yourself. They don't lock their airport. They don't lock everywhere. So that's why now you see all these people, then they run around now. The evil that men do. Now him be this one now. Now him be this one. Una they do like say una they won't punish Nigerian people. Una they do like say una won't punish Nigerian people. Even when this COVID-19 come out, them when be president and ministers, all of them when they there, the governors and all of them, they not believe and say the thing will reach them. Then if you say maybe the thing now for poor people, then you say the thing now for common man, they not believe say it will reach them. They not even believe say that them go carry the thing enter Nigeria. The way when they feel, the way when they reason them. When we see and they there. So not be smart thing. Why Nigerian ministers, governors, Dangote should be tested. They can say at the ceremony, Mr. Kyari was in company. African richest man, Aliko Dangote, whose senior officers would later meet Mohammed. So Aliko Dangote, all of them must to go tests. All the home ministers, all of them must to undergo tests. Now, so this news they tell us today because all of them get contacts. All of them they in contact, and all of them don't go meet Abba Kyari. Anyhow when one put on, put am. Na him make them they call Dangote name, make him still go do the needful. All those ministers when they made them go do the needful, because all of them don't they in contact with their so-called president when be Abba Kyari. So I just wonder the way when our people the reason. Now everybody supposed to say enough is enough. Because this man when be Abba Kyari once again, no fit destroy that country finish. At the end of the day, the man still go carry sickness. Can't use them finish everybody in the country. Even in Aso Rock now. Who won't enter inside Aso Rock? Nobody won't enter there. In fact, they talk say they don't see where Buhari, Abidi, Jubri hide, enter. And then they claim say in test negative. Person when tested negative. Now him, they hide. I wonder the kind way when we see the reason. This one now 2020, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said before, Abba Kyari is tested positive. Buhari must. Abuna Jubri must be positive. So maybe they know one. In fact, when something don't happen now, maybe now they don't already the Northerners don't they prepare another Abba Kyari when they go take stamp all of on our face, including another Jubri. Maybe self Jubri you don't go back to Sudan. Now they just bring another Abba Kyari stamp on our face. Say now the Abba Kyari be this. Nothing they happen because he get 100 life. Those people when be Northerners, when be the Fulani people, they're not nothing they touch them. Nothing they touch them. When they don't die finish, they will come resurrect again. The same person. That's a wonder. So this news they tell us say all these people, Abba Kyari and Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed, among the 46 confirmed cases on Wednesday morning. In Lagos, the Aliko Dangote Foundation, Mr. Mohammed, said on Twitter, no now, in the take and the brag before now. Now, you don't carry sickness, give, all of them don't carry sickness, take effect each other. They can't say, Mr. Mohammed, the other one, the governor, say him attend the National Executive Council meeting chaired by Vice President Yemi Osibanjo. Including the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, finance minister, all these people, all of them attend. Even the other one again, any NGF, Ashahana, Okaru, all these people attended this same meeting. Now we say Nigeria is finished. I don't ask on before. If for this on now Bologbo people when they talk say them be untouchable, all of them carry this thing. Who will come save Ona? Won't be ordinary Nigerian people. Now the thing don't spread to their wives, to their children, to everybody. It's a big problem. So Ona go find how they want to manage the matter. Because people when they are abroad, themselves they try to find how they want to still manage the matter. Like I said before, if not so, this coronavirus will come fight for Nigerian people to liberate Nigerian people in the hands of this their enemies when be the Abba Kyari and all these Northern Kabas and what have you. Now God now. So that at least those people want to tie, those 200 million Nigerian people want to tie hands down so that they go day free from honor. If not so, God want them. So be it. So be it. One love, everybody. And bye.